So robotics and automation is really what it says. It's about the designing, the building, the programming and configuring of robots and automating different processes. So often when you go into a manufacturing plant, you see a lot of these machines where traditionally manual labor used to be involved in assembling a product or getting it to work. Now it's a machine that's doing that a lot more effectively, a lot quicker, and at a lot cheaper cost to the customer. With the robotics and automation course, they come in their first year and they share the first year with all other types of engineering, so they get that flavour and that feel for what the other disciplines deal with. When they then specialise into robotics and automation, they will do quite a number of modules in the areas of robotics, automation, control systems, instrumentation and sensors and electronics. And then they apply those skill sets in a very practical way to different projects. It's about 60% practical work and 40% theory. The theory, however, is covered first, and then we bring that into the labs and into the workshops where we get the students to do different projects and to do different labs where it really grounds their understanding of the theory. With the level 8 in robotics and automation, there is a work placement that takes place in the third year. So when they join third year, they get their first semester with us where they cover some of the more advanced modules in the area of robotics and automation. And then after Christmas, they go out into an industry. In that industry, they'll be playing a part of the role there as an automation engineer. They'll be learning how to apply the skill sets and how the industry works. After September then, they rejoin us here for their last year, where they undertake an industry-based project with us. So there's an extremely large amount of job opportunities that are available in the area of robotics and automation. So much so that we've had to resort to going online to the delivery of our programs in this area. At present, industry send over 200 students on related programs in this area to try and meet the demand that they have for this particular skill set. In our level 7 and level 6 programs, all of our students to date have had jobs before they've even done their final exams, and we anticipate with the robotics and automation level 8 that this will be much the same. The application of this skill set is very varied, but if we look at the job vacancies that are available, an automation engineer is somebody who builds the machines to automate a particular process, and this is really where the robotics and automation engineer will find their home. But a lot of industry are also moving to robotics, especially with more customizable products, where it has to be done by a robot on a product-by-product basis. So the likes of Cuckoo Robotics, if you like, are developing very high-end robots to meet these demands, and this is where our graduates will find a home for their skill sets. So robotics and automation at ATU Sligo is really ahead of the game in the sense that we're very linked with industry. As I said before, we get 200 students that come from industry into our programs online. So we're very keyed in with local and national employers in this particular space. Not only that, but our facilities are very well recognized in this space, especially with our automation labs, our robotics labs, and our integrated manufacturing labs. We also run apprenticeships in the area of electrical, which our robotics and automation engineers will also be using and gaining that skill set that's very relevant for industry today.